sinabi. Kinakabahan ako kasi ang sungit niya.
Total points is 30. And what is this?
Oh, they give it to you. It's expiring in 6/21/17. Congratulations, Juliet.
Madam, yung bag ko mahuhulog na sa tabi mo.
Nakatingin yung mga tao. Natago ako. Hindi ko alam.
Good luck!
Good
Thank
luck.
you!
Hindi ko alam. Wala akong reaction. Ang sungit niya.
Sabi nga namin yan, sungit nung instructor
Hindi siya
mo.
nagsasalita. Hindi nga siya
Sabi ko sa'yo, ang instructor is sobra.
Diyos ko, nainitan ako.
This lady is strange, boy.
Paano mo na yan?
She's like plain, like she didn't say anything. Like,
Tawagan mo na si Joel!
Let me see your stuff again.
tingnan mo nga, baka mamaya mali yan.
Hindi, kasi nakalagay 6/21, so June 21, 2000, ano yan? Date of motor vehicles, shield number, class expire. What is this? 6/21/2017, June 21, 2017. What is that?
Hmm?
Wala to eh. Iba yung expiration nito.
Hindi, ito yata yung temporary driver's license mo, tanga.
Nainitan ako.
Hindi na, I think this is the temporary driver's license.
That's what she has to carry all the time. until
Yeah,
she gets-
lagi mong dadalhin to wag mong itapon. Driver's license mo to. Mag-i-expire sa 21/2017. Aray ko, lata. Graduate na ako sa'yo Graduate na ako sa'yo.
Nakapasa ba ako? Wala siyang sinasabi. Kaya wala din ako reaction.
They took 10 points.
10 points
They took
sa
30 points.
intersection.
You almost fell, eh?
Yeah, 30 ka, madam. Akin 25 lang.
Kasi kinakabahan na ako habang tumatagal. Nag-highway ulit kami.
Oh, talaga.
Diba
Ganun
after
talaga.
yung bahay, may highway pa ulit doon.
Somebody's
Oo.
coming behind you.
Ganun talaga yun. Akin pala seat belt. Open tayo window. Mainit.
Ako.
Mainit.
Hindi tayo sa bahay niyo. Teka lang, gusto ko mag-stress. Sabi ko,
Let's go home first
ba't wala siyang
in the house.
sinasabi? Sabi ko, bakit wala siyang sinasabi? Bakit? Sabi niya gano'n. Sabi ko, ano?
Sampalin mo si Joel niyang driver's license.
Hindi ako magsasalita. Tahimik lang ako.
You almost fell, eh?
Almost.
Because I'm so, habang tumatagal, the more I'm
The longer
See?
she drives,
You see that? They said
the more
they
she
said
gets nervous.
failure to adequately observe. I told you about the parking. When you're parking, you got to keep looking like this, and then keep doing. I think you were focusing on just turning that freaking car
Yeah.
inside there and then put it in, and where you need to observe, and that's 10 points right there. Shit.
kinakabahan na ako.
Na, importante,
You see,
madam.
they say-
License na yan. Diyos ko.
They say
Oh,
they
your
say
eyes on
turn
the
wide,
road.
turn wide, short left.
Hindi ko na alam na nakabahan.
On your
na
left,
kasi
you
ako.
turn too wide. Okay? Turn wide, short right. You've done both of them.
Kasi
You've done short left, and you've done
Wide.
wide,
wala na ako sa
short
concentration
right.
kanina.
You did both of them on that one. They take 5 points away. 10 points to turning. Poor judgment approaching turning.
Nakapasa ng bro. Professional ka na. Kainin mo na yan.
Put that in your wallet when you're driving, please.
Tapos nung binigay niya sa akin, wala man lang siya sinasabi. Wala siyang sinasabi. Congratulations. Ang sungit, di ba,
Sa akin yung
nag-have a nice day pa kaya ako nung bago siya bumaba.
sa akin
Wala
yung
siyang
lalaki
sinasabi.
sabi, congratulations. You have too many points, but still you passed the
This lady didn't tell you
test.
anything. What was
No.
she telling you? I heard she
Nothing.
was talking to you.
No, about this one, the poor... Hindi ko na I didn't get any. I didn't absorb what
Sabi
she's
ko pa,
saying.
sabi ko pa, hindi yata nakapasa tong hinayupak na to.
So, but she was talking to you. You didn't hear what she was saying to
No,
you?
I'm like in a
Sabi ko
cloud
kay
nine.
sabi ko kay Evans, Nasa